What's up guys, after some leaked features of Samsung S11 and S11 Plus, here is the first look of Samsung S11 Plus from onleaks. This is the higher end variant of S11 lineup and you can see the camera setup at the behind really looking awkward and interesting also. But look at this setup, this whole camera thing. Is that a correct leak? If S11 Plus gets produced with this leaked design, then I am saying nobody, literally almost nobody is gonna like it, because it has almost covered the whole upper back of the phone, and even the cameras in square module are not properly aligned, no regular arrangement. It is totally amorphous look. Look at the flashlight in the camera setup. As you can see, I got this picture on the Twitter posted by Benjeskin, a great leakster. He drew the lines in perfect order, and according to those lines, flashlight is a bit to the left, not centered. And again in another tweet he corrected it itself. You can see before and the after of this. So this is the really an dumb thing. Have a look at the iPhone 11 Pro Max camera module. At least there is an regular shape of cameras or a specific design, but S11 Plus is not having it. There could be also a solid reason behind it why Samsung is doing this, but we don't know that reason unfortunately. And the rest of that, all other features of S11 Plus are almost same like of S11, like 120Hz of refresh rate, 8K recording up to 30 FPS. There is another thing also, that S11 Plus is just coming in 5G variant. Yes, you will see no 4G variant in S11 Plus, and this leak could also be the wrong one, because I don't think so that this is gonna happen. From S1 to S10 Plus we have seen really good and incredible designs, but now S11 Plus is going to be unique from all of those previous variants. There is an hidden reason behind it, and I am excited for that. To get that reason, subscribe to our channel, and if I get any proper answer or response for that, I will let you know guys. Till that, stay tuned and I'll catch you guys in the next one.